Sunflower oil is a gift from nature, a golden elixir that has been cherished for centuries. It is a healthy and versatile oil used in kitchens around the world, celebrated for its ability to enhance the flavors of a wide variety of dishes. From savory stir-fries that sizzle with vibrant vegetables to delicate pastries that melt in your mouth, sunflower oil adds a touch of golden goodness to our meals. Its subtle flavor allows the natural taste of ingredients to shine through, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. This essay will guide you through the journey of sunflower oil, from planting the seeds to enjoying its delightful flavor in your food. The story begins with the humble sunflower seed, a tiny powerhouse of potential. Planted in rich, fertile soil, these seeds sprout into tall, majestic sunflowers, their bright yellow petals reaching towards the sun. Sunflower oil is praised for its light color, neutral taste, and high smoke point. These qualities make it an ideal choice for a variety of cooking methods, from frying to baking. Its light color indicates its purity, while its neutral taste ensures that it doesn't overpower the flavors of the food it accompanies. It is also a good source of vitamin E, an important antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. This nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and it also supports the immune system. By incorporating sunflower oil into your diet, you can enjoy these health benefits while savoring delicious meals. Join us as we explore the fascinating process of transforming humble sunflower seeds into this culinary treasure. The journey from seed to oil involves several steps, each one carefully designed to preserve the natural goodness of the sunflower. From harvesting the seeds at the peak of ripeness to pressing them to extract the oil, every stage is a testament to the care and craftsmanship that goes into producing this versatile oil. As we delve deeper into the world of sunflower oil, we'll discover its rich history and cultural significance. Used in traditional recipes and modern cuisine alike, sunflower oil has a place in kitchens around the globe. Whether you're preparing a simple salad dressing or a complex gourmet dish, sunflower oil is a reliable companion that brings out the best in your ingredients. So, the next time you reach for a bottle of sunflower oil, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken to reach your kitchen. From the fields of sunflowers swaying gently in the breeze, to the careful extraction and bottling process, sunflower oil is truly a gift from nature. Embrace its golden goodness and let it inspire your culinary creations. Before the sunflower seeds can be sown, the land must be carefully prepared. Sunflowers thrive in well-drained soil that receives plenty of sunlight. Farmers carefully till the soil to create a loose and airy bed for the seeds to nestle in. The soil is enriched with nutrients to ensure the sunflowers grow strong and healthy. Once the land is ready, the sunflower seeds are planted in neat rows, with enough space between them to allow for their impressive height. Once planted, the sunflower seeds begin their magical transformation. They sprout into tiny seedlings, reaching for the warmth of the sun. The sunflowers grow rapidly, their stems thickening and their leaves unfurling like emerald banners. Throughout their growth, farmers carefully monitor the sunflowers, ensuring they receive enough water and nutrients. They also keep a watchful eye out for any pests or diseases that might harm the precious crop. As summer reaches its peak, the sunflowers stand tall and proud, their faces heavy with seeds. The back of the sunflower heads turn a rich golden brown, signaling that it's time to harvest. Farmers use specialized combines to harvest the sunflower heads, separating the seeds from the rest of the plant. The harvested sunflower heads are then transported to processing facilities, where the journey of transforming them into oil begins. Section 5. From field to factory. Cleaning and preparing the seeds. Upon arrival at the processing facilities, the sunflower seeds undergo a thorough cleaning process. This involves removing any debris, such as stems, leaves, or other foreign objects that may have been collected during harvesting. The seeds are then dehulled, which means the tough outer shell is removed, leaving behind the nutrient-rich kernel. These kernels are what will be used to extract the oil. Section 6. Extracting liquid gold, the magic of oil production. With the sunflower seeds cleaned and dehulled, the oil extraction process can begin. The kernels are first ground into a paste. This paste is then heated carefully to help release the oil. Next, the heated paste is pressed to squeeze out the liquid gold, the sunflower oil. Sometimes a solvent extraction method is used to extract even more oil from the paste. Section 7. Refining the essence, purifying sunflower oil. The journey of sunflower oil from the fields to your kitchen involves several meticulous steps. The extracted sunflower oil, known as crude oil, undergoes a comprehensive refining process to remove any impurities and enhance its quality. This ensures that the oil is not only safe for consumption, but also retains its nutritional value and flavor. This refining process involves several critical steps, each playing a crucial role in creating the clear and flavorful oil we know and love. The process begins with degumming, followed by neutralization, washing, bleaching, and deodorizing. Each of these steps is essential to ensure the oil meets the highest standards of purity and quality. Degumming is the first step in the refining process. It involves the removal of gums and phospholipids, which are naturally present in the crude oil. These substances can affect the stability and quality of the oil, so their removal is crucial. The degumming process typically involves adding water or an acid to the oil, which helps to separate the gums from the oil. Next, the oil undergoes neutralization. This step is designed to eliminate free fatty acids, which can cause the oil to become rancid over time. By neutralizing these acids, the oil's shelf life is significantly extended. This process usually involves adding an alkali, such as sodium hydroxide, to the oil, which reacts with the free fatty acids to form soap. The soap is then removed from the oil. After neutralization, the oil is washed to remove any remaining traces of soap and other impurities. This step is essential to ensure that the oil is clean and free from any substances that could affect its taste or quality. The washing process typically involves adding hot water to the oil and then separating the water from the oil. Finally, the oil undergoes bleaching and deodorizing. Bleaching removes any unwanted color from the oil, making it clear and visually appealing. This is achieved by adding bleaching earth or activated carbon to the oil, which absorbs the pigments and other impurities. Deodorizing, on the other hand, eliminates any undesirable smells or tastes from the oil. This is done by heating the oil under a vacuum, which helps to remove volatile compounds that can cause off flavors or odors. The result is a pure, high-quality sunflower oil that is ready for consumption. Section 8. Modern Marvels, Efficiency and Sustainability in Oil Refinement. Modern sunflower oil refineries are marvels of engineering, designed for maximum efficiency and minimal environmental impact. Advanced technologies are employed to optimize each stage of the refining process, from reducing water usage to minimizing energy consumption. Furthermore, many refineries are committed to sustainable practices, such as using renewable energy sources and responsibly managing waste products. Section 9. Sunflower oil, a healthy choice for a happy kitchen. Sunflower oil is not just another cooking ingredient. It is a symbol of health and vitality. This golden liquid has been cherished for generations, and its benefits are numerous. The journey from sunflower seed to bottled oil is a testament to human ingenuity and nature's bounty. It all begins in the vast sunflower fields, where these bright, cheerful flowers soak up the sun's energy. As they grow, they transform sunlight into seeds packed with nutrients. These seeds are then harvested and carefully processed to extract the precious oil. This process, though seemingly simple, involves a series of meticulous steps to ensure the oil retains its natural goodness. Sunflower oil, with its light color, neutral taste, and health benefits, is a versatile and healthy choice for any kitchen. Its light color indicates its purity, and the neutral taste ensures it doesn't overpower the flavors of your dishes. Rich in vitamin E and low in saturated fats, sunflower oil supports heart health and provides essential nutrients. It's a staple in many households, not just for its culinary uses, but also for its health benefits. Whether you're frying, baking, or simply drizzling it over a salad, sunflower oil brings a touch of sunshine to every meal. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for frying, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection without breaking down the oil's beneficial properties. When baking, it adds moisture and a subtle richness to your cakes and pastries. And for salads, a drizzle of sunflower oil enhances the flavors of fresh vegetables, making your meals not only delicious, but also nutritious. So next time you reach for that bottle of golden goodness, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your kitchen. From the sunflower fields to the extraction process, every step is a labor of love and dedication. By choosing sunflower oil, you're not just making a healthy choice for your meals, You're also supporting sustainable farming practices and a tradition that values quality and health. Embrace the golden goodness of sunflower oil and let it brighten your kitchen and your life.